Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is March the 23rd. In my journey to 250k, I'm currently at 142,485. So down by about 1.2%, which is about 1,700. For the week, down by about 5.6%, which is about 8,400. For the month, down by about 5.3%, which is about 8,000. 3 months, I am up by about 0.5%, which is about 700. For the year, up by about 63%, which is about 55,000. So right now we have a lot of things going on. The market is red. All the indices are currently red. Hopefully you have some green in your stocks, but for mine, for the most part, just red all through. We do have a few things happening today. We do have the Fed and I think the Treasury Secretary, having a meeting with the House, and they might be talking a little bit about what's going on in the economy. That might affect, the price movement of pretty much the whole market, and I know the bond yields also are playing part in this. So just brace yourself for a rough day today, but just make sure if you're day trading also, you're kind of careful with your trades, and the good entries and exits so that you don't take major losses. For the long-term holders, I think we're fine. We don't have to worry. If anything, if you have extra funds, you might check for discounts in the market and kind of load up and average down if you had bought at in higher prices. So a quick reminder, this is just for entertainment purposes only. Do your own due diligence and make sure you consult with a professional. And if you're investing in either very volatile penny stocks like one I'll be talking about, make sure you do more even due diligence and you're very aware there's a lot of risk associated to it. So let's get straight to it. We'll be talking about SNDL, currently at 1.19. So you can see for the day it's down by about 8%. For those in these penny stocks like I am, you always have to ask yourself, it's a long-term play or a short-term play. If it's a short-term play, always make sure you know where you want to put your trailing stop loss or stop limit to sell. So make sure you are very careful, evaluated your portfolio, and if you want to get out so that you don't get caught holding the bag. So if you're a long-term holder, it really doesn't matter. So I'm a long-term holder on this stock. So I have 2,500 shares, currently down by about 22%. It is a very volatile stock, and I see us even going down a bit more. I see almost getting to like $1 range in the short term, but in the long term, I think this company will do just fine. I expect to get a good return on this stock. For you guys who have, let's say, Aurora or Tilray or any other of those stocks in this field, I think you'll notice also a trend. Most of them kind of follow the same trend, even though they have a difference in the multiples in the valuations and whatnot. So be very careful in this stock. I just want to make sure that that we're tanking, and when you're tanking, don't panic sell if you're in the stock. Just kind of hold it down. If you're a long-term player, just average down. But for me, like I mentioned, I'm just there hanging out with you guys. We're hoping for the best, so don't panic sell. I'll repeat that again. Just make sure you can be occupied if you're not a day trader, and don't look at the stock market when it's super red so that you just don't get tempted. So we are growing the channel real fast. I did mention a few videos ago that I want to kind of start talking about options. So let me know in the comment section below how soon you want us to start that. I think we'll have some fun. It's risky, but we'll start at a very low level whereby you'll learn a lot, and you practice by doing. So you just put like maybe 20, 30, 40 bucks onto an option play, and I'll teach you everything you need to know. And then the maximum risk you're getting into, when to get out, how to get out, if you see things going the opposite direction, and also knowing the Greeks. That's kind of very important, but I will want to probably start in the most basic form so that people don't get lost. But yeah, that's it for me today. Be green, be safe, make sure you click on this video, gives you a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Comment down below and let me know what you think about options strategy that we are putting up, and also just be safe. Bye.